Hi, it's Carolyn Spray at Pentland Plants. I just wanted to let you have a wee look at all the planters that we're planting up behind the scenes ready for Easter, which is the next big event. As you can see, there's loads of colour. Starting off at the front, we've got lovely 1 litre pots of primroses, hardy polyanthus, the stellas. Moving along the front, all the little 1 litre primroses, some beautiful shades, mixed ones, self colours, and some absolutely gorgeous doubles. All really popular, just to put in a windowsill or something, add a wee bit of colour indoors. The planted containers are really the big thing, and we have a massive selection. Different types of containers, like this sort of grey style type, nice pale green one. We've got this in a pot and a trough. We've got a wood look plastic, which is really nice and does a really good job. Little containers along the front, little primrose bowls with mixed colours in there. Along the back, these I love. These are a nice shape of pot in different colours with a self-coloured collection of, this is a Polyanthus stella in it. And we've got lots of different colours of those as well. Troughs, we do a nice big terracotta trough like that, filled with colour. We've got some, this is the green one that matches that pot. There's also a lot of nice little ones for a different price point. At the front there's some vintage style metal, some cream tin, and lovely little basket ones that have just got 2 or 3 plants in them, which are really dinky and cute and sell extremely well. We're always looking for new containers just to kind of bring the changes so it's not always the same. So we've sourced some beautiful wooden ones like this. Again, we're putting self colours in there, and there's a smaller size in that one with 3 plants, 2 primroses and a little ivy in it. Some nice basket style as well, like this, a dark basket, and there are little pots in that as well. And listen, I love this one at the front. This is a trough in the dark wood, really stylish. Just a bit more interesting than just a plain terracotta pot. Just starting to see the beginning of Senetti and Ranunculus. People have been asking for Ranunculus, so they're here. There are more coming on all the time, so they're looking good, but just starting to show flower, as you can see. So lots and lots, looking super on the run up to Easter.